What up, YouTube? This is GSNCards coming back at you. Last box, Topps Finest we did. We pulled a Travis Snyder and a David Price Nasty. If you guys don't know, I'm collecting a PC of David Price. So that's why I was going crazy about that. Let's break this shit. Ultimate Collection. Then we got Exquisite. So here we go. Ultimate Collection. Box number 1. Good luck to everyone who hasn't gotten hits yet. It's 23 hits total. First pack. Here we go. Good luck, guys. I see the White Sox on the back. We got a Justin Morneau, numbered out of 450. I'm not going to look at the next card. Then we have a, for the Brewers, it's a little banged up on top. It's not too bad, though, of Carlos Lee. We got a jersey card. And actually, he's pictured in a Brewers uniform, but as you can see in the back, Astros. So it will go to the Astros, guys. Sorry about that. For the Cubs, that's me. Holy shit! Oh my God. Ryne Sandberg autograph, number 21 out of 24. Oh my God, guys. Oh my friggin' God. Ryne Sandberg auto. Paul Konerko jersey card. Damn. 21 out of 24 auto. So that might be some trade bait for that David Price that I want to get off SNA Juice. Damn, this is a nice break we're having tonight, guys. Really nice hit so far. Right, next up, I have the Brewers in the back. There's a Brewers card in the back. We got a Victor Martinez, numbered at a 450 for the Indians. Then we have for the Rangers, Mark Teixeira jersey. And then, where's the Dodgers? Here we go, Dodgers autograph of Chad Billingsley. Chad Billingsley auto. So, there you go. And the final hit of pack number 2 will be for the Milwaukee Brewers, a triple jersey numbered 44 out of 50 of Prince Fielder, J.J. Hardy, and Ben Sheets. So that's numbered to 50. Pretty good. Pack number 3, I got the Ryne Sandberg. Holy crap. Mini box 3. For those of you on YouTube, we've been rubbing this on the boxes, Babe Ruth plaque, and it's been paying off. Still looking for a patch. We have the Athletics on the back. This should be the patch pack. For the Pirates, numbered at a 450 of Ian Snell. Then we have a jersey for the Tigers of Jeremy Bonderman, numbered at a 50. Not too bad. For the Athletics, an auto of Joe Blanton. And it's a one-color patch with the stitching, numbered 13 out of 25 for the Athletics of Houston Street. So all yellow patch for the Athletics. So there you go, All-Star Sports 777. And here's the final mini pack. Really nice box, I'd say. Or decent, I guess you can call it. We got for the Mariners, Andre Ethier, numbered at a 450. Then we have a red jersey for the Red Sox of Josh Beckett. Oh, there you go. And SNA Juice, here you go once again. Numbered 4 out of 60, an auto of B.J. Upton. So we got that in the price. And the final card will be for the Cardinals, a jersey card of Ozzie Smith, the Wizard. So there you go. Box number 3, we got the Ryan Sandberg. Stay tuned for box number 4.